What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sage Jones, a smart investor, and I'm just coming to you with a video showing you my progress with my Topstep account and showing you that I did a request for a withdrawal on my Topstep account. I have done a withdrawal of $1,060. But what you're looking at right now is the back office of Topstep. You can see that this week I earned $2,120.92. I had 5 profitable trading days over $200. I could have actually done this withdrawal on Wednesday night, but um, I forgot that Top Step takes a small fee. We were trading like this a small swipe fee. So on Tuesday, I hit a profit of $213, and they took the swipe fee of $15, which put me under the $200 requirement every day. So the 5 day requirement. So I definitely that definitely take me off. And then we had a crazy drawdown day on Wednesday. I went into drawdown of like $800. The account was like the lowest the account was down was like $800, but I pulled back. And the only reason why it was down the $800 is because I entered the trade in the wrong direction. I was focused on doing something else and I meant to hit buy, but I hit sell. And these things happen. We're all human. We make errors, but I definitely recovered it. So when I caught the trade in drawdown $800, I'm like, oh crap. So, but the market, it was like in this weird area where um it went down and was going up, going up, going down, going up, going down. So the market ended up getting to bringing the account negative 400 and something dollars. I think it was like 460. I took a loss there, and then I recovered the account back to my original balance. Um, so I recovered everything I lost, everything I was going to lose in negative, and ended up taking a $2 loss that day, which was, human error. But overall, we did 2000 and $2,120.92 this week. Um, Trading overall, my trading wins, my winning trading percent is 75%, which is always, it's always in that range. It's either in the range of 73 to 70, 75. Last week, my winning trading percent was actually 83. So, but I always stick in the range of my trades, winning trades being in the 75% range. Um, we took most of our trades on NAS, I'm sorry, S on SPY 50. So we took most of our trades on that. We had a good trade. I believe it was on the Russell, or it might have been on the Dow. I can't remember. I think it was the Dow Jones. Yeah, we took some trades on NAS also that week, with 1 or 2 trades there. We did some micro E-minis, but overall, most of the profit came from the Dow this week and from the S&P 500, um, which has us at $2,120.92. The Top Step, you have a 5 day period where you have to win five winning days over $200, as you can see right here. You start off with you can only open 2 contracts at a time. Then when you do your payouts, it starts to increase. And now I'm at 3 contracts, so I'll be able to open 3 contracts at a time. You can only pull out 50% of the account. I always pull out 50% of the account. I never do more than that. I'm trying to compound the account. This is a whole nother brand new Top Step account. So just to put that out there. Um, but overall we hit 5 winning trading days. It does not have to be a consecutive 5 consecutive winning trading days. You can break the trading days up so you can win 3 trading days one week and 2 the next week. It's just, based on the market. We completed 8 trading days, winning days 70%. And we did a withdrawal today. So if you look here, we got our thank you for submitting your payment request and congratulations on your success. Our team is processing your payment now for account, and then it gives you my account number. And then you see the request here for $1,060. It says, the payments are processed daily, but could take up to 10 business days. I don't think it's going to take me 10 business days to get this withdrawal. I've heard really good things about Topstep, as far as pushing out the withdrawals in the same day. Now, I've gotten withdrawals from Topstep in the past that took me maybe 2 to 3 days, but I've been noticing that excuse me, they've done like 1 day withdrawals. So as long as you withdraw before the 10 a.m. Central Time, they start processing your payment. So since I'm withdrawing at 10 p.m. Central Time, 9:26 p.m. Central Time, it should be processed in the morning. But when you do your withdrawals, you have to fill out your form. So you click here for withdrawals, and then you have your request form. Once it loads, it takes a little time, but it's going to ask you, whether you want to get paid out in Wise Pay or ACH Wire. Wise Pay is an international company, so you could actually get a debit card for them, but the debit card costs $20. Just to put that out there, debit card does cost $20 plus like a 30-cent fee. So if you decide to go with Wise Pay, then that's your choice. I did ACH, so what you're gonna do is fill in your information. Here's the information here, my first name, last name, and then you fill out that information. You're gonna make sure you fill out upload your W-9 form. If you live in the US, if you live in another country, you're gonna or another region, you're gonna upload a W-8 form. Once you have done that and you've chosen the balance that you want to withdraw, they're going to require you to provide proof of your identity, which is a picture of like a scan or a picture of your ID or driver's license or passport. And they're going to require you to provide your routing number and account number and a screenshot of the ACH information. So you're going to need a screenshot that shows your routing number and account number within it. Once you submit that, you're going to get an email that's going to let you know that your W-9 has been submitted, and then you're going to wait until the payout comes out. So with that said, yeah, we did pretty good this week. And we're just going to rinse, wash, and repeat. Like I said, this is a brand new Topstep account. I started this actually at the end of last month. I started this account just to build it up. I'm actually building accounts for other people. This is personally my account. So what I'm doing is I'm trading, taking money, putting it into a Forex account, trading it for my siblings and a couple other people. And then what we do is purchase more and more accounts and then trade for those accounts. And I trade I trade Topstep, and I have a prop firm challenge that I do, and I have a personal accounts also that I trade with Forex. So what my suggestion is when you start doing these prop firm challenges, or you decide to do the combine, make as much money as you can, take it out of the market, and then place it other places. You want your money to make you passive income. So this money here that I'm making, I'm going to be putting directly into the stock market. The other Topstep accounts, I'm using those to help fund other Forex accounts. And I'm using some of that money to purchase funded accounts challenges for family members to pass it for them. So that way they can tie my trading bot to their prop firm challenge and make money. I'm trying to help my family build generational wealth. And to do that, I'm doing this. This is my way of doing it. It's not a perfect way, but it will get us where we need to be. But with that said, it's your boy Sage Jones. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay positive, stay focused, and peace.